Hello everybody. Today I would like to introduce some great software to you which can help traditional businesses bridge the gap between the online world and the offline one. It's the Store Locator software, also known as a dealer locator. What this software does is allows you to create an online store locator to help your customers find the nearest store to them. Let me give you an example. What we have here is a map of all the Loving Hut vegan restaurants in the world. As you can see on the map, it has little pictures with numbers on it, showing how many stores are in each location: 4, 62, 1, 16, 11, and 8. And if you click on one of these little numbered circles, like the one in Europe, we can see it zooms in automatically. We have 1 store here, 1 here, 2 here, and 4 here. And now if you click on one of these individual icons, such as the one in Spain, we can see the information on the store in that location. We have the address, phone number, a link to the website, and directions. If we click the directions link, it'll bring up a Google map which will allow us to get exact directions to the store location. We just input our starting spot here and click Get Directions. Okay, let's go back to the demonstration. So there is also another way to find a store. Let's say we live in Santa Cruz, California. All we have to do is type in Santa Cruz here, select a radius, I'm going to choose 200 miles, and click the Search Locations button. Now what the software does, it shows us all the stores within a 200-mile radius of Santa Cruz. 2 here, 4 there, and 1 here. As you can see, we can once again click on this icon, get the store location here, we can click on this one here, we can see there's 2 here, another 2 there, and that's how it works. It's a really great piece of software and it can be embedded into any website and easily configured. And you can also fill it up with your own stores. You don't use the Loving Hut stores, but you'll use, for instance, you might have a shoe stores all across America. You could put them all into the software and they'll be displayed easily on a map of America, and customers could easily find the store nearest to them. So for the techies out there, it uses a MySQL database to store the information in. It also uses PHP on the server, and on the client side it uses JavaScript. These are all free and open source technologies, but you don't really need to worry about that, as these technologies will work on all websites these days, and it comes with easy to install instructions. And there's even a handy interface for inputting your stores into the database, so you don't need to know anything about SQL programming. It's very straightforward. I think this kind of software makes it much easier for customers to find your stores. Whether you have 1 or 4,000 stores, this software works great. Check it out at php-store-locator.com. Thanks for your time and have a great day.